What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It has been a while since I've been on YouTube. It has been far too long and I'm excited to be back. A lot of you guys were DMing me on Instagram asking for a tutorial on how I curl my short hair, and I wanted to give you guys a full in-depth tutorial. So we're on YouTube. Before we jump to the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We're almost to 10K and I have a ton of fun videos lined up, so I will not be MIA on Instagram, on YouTube anymore. So if you want to stay up to date on my content and my videos, make sure you're subscribed, and let's go on and jump into the video. All right, right now my hair is damp. I just finished washing it in the shower, and before I blow dry it, there's a couple products I like to go in with. The first one is the Moroccan oil treatment. I have it in light. I'm not sure what that means, but that's what I have. And this stuff is liquid gold. I literally swear by it. It makes your hair feel so smooth and silky when it dries. I like to go in with just a pump of this. This one is almost empty, so hopefully I can get out at least one more use. Then I just like to run it through the ends of my hair. I don't really focus it on my roots because I don't want them looking oily or greasy. And then the next product that I go in with is a heat protectant. This one's by Gizu and it's their Heat Me, Treat Me, Complete Me. Again, I just kind of spray this towards the ends of my hair and brush it through. All right, now that my hair is brushed, parted, all the product is applied, I'm gonna go in with a blow dryer. This step is just personal preference. You could let it air dry. I just personally prefer to blow dry it when I'm curling my hair just because I feel like it adds some extra volume that my hair usually needs, especially because I have super fine hair. So I'm gonna go blow dry it and then we'll move over to the curling iron and I'll show you guys what I do. All right, ignore how red my ears are. They're so red from the blow dryer. But what I did after blow drying my hair is I just sectioned the top half of my hair, clipped it up out of the way. I like to curl my hair in two separate parts, and the curling iron that I'm using is super old. It is really old. 1-inch Conair curling iron. Pretty sure I got it from like Walmart in middle school, and I've been using it ever since. So I'll try and link this one or a similar one, but really any 1-inch curling iron will do that has the little like clamp. And then to curl, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start right up here at the top, and I like to curl it down once. I also make sure to leave a little bit out at the end so it gives a more like beach wave look rather than being completely curled under. And then that curl is perfect. We're gonna move on to the next one. All right, the bottom half of my hair is all curled. Usually don't care too much how it turns out because it's at the bottom. Basically, it just needs to be curled. But usually, like I said, what I do is I wrap it around my curling iron 1.5 to 2 times, leaving out a little bit at the ends. And then for the top, I do something a little bit different. I'll walk you guys through it and show you guys what I do. First, I'm just gonna brush out the top section of my hair and try and avoid the curls underneath. Then I'm gonna grab about a 1.5 to 2-inch section of my hair and start at the top. Then I'm going to wrap it around once, twice, leaving out a little bit at the ends. And then after I hold it here for a little bit, what I like to do is I like to go around and around and then release. And then it leaves like a really nice kind of like beachy wave. So I'm basically just gonna continue to grab those 2-inch sections of my hair, wrap it around twice, and then unwrap it, and just continue to the rest of my head. All right, now that my hair is curled, I'm just going to brush it out with my fingertips, kind of separate the curls a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with some hairspray and call it good. I do see this one spot right here that's kind of bugging me that I'm gonna touch up. I feel like right now is a good time to go in and kind of like touch up any spots that you feel like need to be curled, maybe tighter or differently, and then just unraveling it. All right, I'll brush it through. For hairspray, I'm just kind of spraying underneath to give it that extra lift. All right, my camera died again, of course, but we're almost done now that I have the hairspray in it and I've kind of brushed out the curls. I'm just gonna take this little comb and kind of go towards the ends and just kind of fill it out a little bit more. And that basically completes my tutorial on how I curl my short hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you end up using any of the tips or tricks, let me know. I want to know how they work on you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I actually have a part 1 or an older version of this video that I filmed like 1.5 years, maybe 2 years ago, and I'll link it in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 10K, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.